Hi everybody, this is Barry with Knitting for Love, and today I have come across a mistake in my pattern, and I will show you how I'm going to fix it. So basically, as you tell, I've gotten some done, and I'm on row 18, and I'm on the purl side row, but something told me to go back and look at my pattern closer. And it turns out that on the very first section of my pattern, I did not pass over that stitch right there. So when you do pass over, I was passing over 2 stitches over one. I only passed over one. I usually do one at a time because that way I don't split the second stitch and it ends up looking weird in the design when you split the stitches. So what I did was I continued to work the rest of the row, turned my work over, and going to fix it as I come back around. So basically, let me just purl all the way to that point, and I will show you how I will fix this. And it's a very quick and easy fix. So I'm just going to purl these. Now, one more. Okay, so now I'm at the point where I can correct my mistakes. So I'm going to turn my work over. Now, because I didn't pass it over when I was knitting it, going back later on as I go up the rows would just make this a little bit more difficult to do. So I'm just going to pass that stitch over now, which corrects my stitch count. And then I can turn my work back over and keep on going. Now, this is row 18 that I'm doing. I will be changing colors at this point, moving on to the next shade of purple, which is this one. So I will see you later, and I will have a video uploaded soon on how to do this particular stitch, so you can see what I'm doing, and that way maybe you can follow along, or maybe you can make a sweater out of just the edging design. That would be cool. Or make a scarf out of the edging design, or use it for a hat. But as you can tell, I have now finished one color, and it's looking pretty good. This is definitely looking pretty good. So I will see you later in a few more rows to show you how much is going on. This will be day 4. Talk to you later. Happy knitting. Bye now.